Welcome to the Philip Tracy Monday Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 8:59 a.m., and that is Pacific time, and today is July 17th. Well, I thought I would kick off with the Nikkei, but also I'm recording a little earlier than normal because I'll be speaking in a couple of hours' time. I'll scare up some breakfast between now and then then I'll be heading to the airport. So then with the time difference, I probably won't get home tonight until about 10 p.m. So this is I think, the best opportunity I'll have to record in a quiet environment. So when we think about the Nikkei, it's been ranging now since the beginning of 2024, and now it's pushing up towards the upper side of that range. And I think a lot will hinge on what happens with the yen. And we have the upper house elections over the weekend. So that's going to give us a picture on whether the current government is going to hold on. But I think it's important to also emphasize that Japan tends to change its governments rather quickly. And you always seem to have the same party in power, and they just change the people at the top. So uh, how much impact that's going to have on the stock market, I think, is open to some negotiation or discussion. Well, I think what will probably be more important is what happens with the yen and how it performs. Then that leads to the broader question of the dollar. And I think that the market right now is behaving as if uh, the trade war is over. So with the continued thaw between in the relations between the USA and China, then that is giving some hope to the rest of the world that all of the bombastic claims about tariffs will eventually come to not much more than a demand that there are fairer terms of trade, and that if reciprocal tariffs or tariffs that have been imposed upon US exports are dropped, then that would be probably enough. So we're certainly in a rather interesting environment right now, because I think that there are really three big themes that are driving the investor psychology. We certainly can't avoid the whole question of artificial intelligence, because you have the largest companies in the world doubling down on their commitment to it. And Nvidia today was at a new high. So that's obviously one big theme. Well, then you also have the additional themes around cryptocurrencies. And